morning. Welcome to Poem on the Run. There's a top home appliance that simply cannot get posher. It stands in the corner of my kitchen. It's the Whirlpool 1000 super duper dishwasher. Well, it's a time machine, really, in the sense that it gives you more of it, instead of standing with a plate, scrubbing finished food off it. But when that door closes, what must go on inside? A hot, bubbly operation, cleaning everything in sight. And once it's done, there's more to come. It doesn't stop there. A hurricane of drying goodness swirls round the hot air. By this time, of course, I'm on my second bottle of wine, cuddling up with my wife, talking about our lives in these strange times. She gets up and she looks at me with loving eyes from afar. She says, "While you've got the dishwasher on, you can go out and wash the car." Have a lovely day.